Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok likes not showing properly. So if you think that the likes on your videos are not showing properly, you can try to fix it with some of these options that I'm going to show you. First, you need to make sure that the TikTok apps is already on the latest version. So you can go to the Google Play Store and find TikTok and see if it needs any updates. So let's find TikTok. Okay, so this is the TikTok and you can see that I've already on my latest version, so it's not a problem. And the second one, maybe it's because that your account is private. So when your account is private, only your followers can see your video, so the likes might not showing properly. So you can go to the three lines icon at the top and go to the settings and privacy. Here, tap on privacy, and you need to make sure that the private account is disabled. It's gray like this. And after that, the next one, you can try to just wait, because there might be some glitches on TikTok, and you can just wait and or hang around to let the glitch disappear itself. And if it's not the issue, you can try to log out from your TikTok account. You can click on the three dots icon in here and go to the settings and privacy and click on log out and see if the problem is fixed by doing that. And you can try to log in again. And after that, the last resort that you can do, you can try to uninstall the TikTok apps from your phone and reinstall it again from the Google Play Store. So that might be it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.